wearing a pants and I'm holding a pack of pantyhose. Spring and summer favorite pants at Uniqlo, and also how to style these pants with cute pantyhose. Before we get into that, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Of course, please do this. If you want to see more contents, please check out the description box to find a link. Yay! I have reviewed this Commando silky sheer thin pantyhose before, and also I picked these pantyhose for my winter trip. The reason I picked these ones to style up with my favorite Uniqlo pants, because it has a beautiful and wide, cute lace waistband. We'll see. If I'm trying this on, we'll see. This is a hygiene cotton gusset. That quality is really good. Perfectly soft and sheer. This is the best part I like about these tights. Let me try this on underneath my pants. It's cute, punky, hip-hop style pants, and underneath this cute lace waistband. You know, that's why I said I chose these pantyhose to style up with these pants. I think it's cute. And now let's talk more about this cutie pants. Well, and it's good for hot weather, hot summer like today. And then second one, you know, you can style two different style with this strap, string strap. So one make it flat, like a straight fit, and one with this tight jogger style, jogger fit. I love this color, and they also have in other colors, black, ivory, brown. I think I'm in between medium and large, but I picked this large because I like a little bit, you know, more loose and relaxed, punky, comfortable mood. I don't know, I wanted to show you guys how cute this lace band when it's, you know, when it's layered with the pants. Like this. Well, if that's too hot outside, I wouldn't say you would like to wear pantyhose, hosiery, and pants together. But when it's not, like spring, when it's the perfect weather going outside, I think that's quite a good idea, wearing like this way. Well, guys, I found it interesting that I chose some different concepts to show you how to style pants with pantyhose. I hope you find it interesting too. I hope you enjoy that. Furthermore, if I have some more ideas, I would definitely want to share with you guys. I hope you have a great day. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye everyone!